Hi, folks, and welcome to Parallel Projection 6. And I've gone ahead and I've done some of the basic setup here just to keep the video a bit shorter. So the first thing is here I'm going to do today is I'm going to do the oblique sketch. Now the oblique sketch, remember oblique is going off at 45 degrees. It can go to the left or right. Because I'm right-handed, I suppose it's easier for me to go to the right. But anyways, we'll start off and we'll draw in there, sketch in there what is closest to us. Okay, so the closest to us on this will be the red face as you'd have in the question there in front of you. So go ahead there and lightly do that. When you're happy with your lines, then go a bit heavier. And of course then this thing is a square because it's 78 by 78. So come up similarly the same length there for your sketch. And I'll just do all this lightly first now to assure of our lines. So now I'd recommend you do that maybe first. Pick whatever colors you want. You don't have to go the same as in the drawing, but it does help you visualize what you're doing then. So we'll go ahead now and do the orthographics. So I am marking out there my 26. I'm just looking at the drawing here in front of me. 26. That's the only measurement I really need coming down along here, bar the max length, which is 104. We're told that in the question. And we'll start setting up our grid there. Over here, there's 3 equal spacings, 26 and 26 and 52. And then the heights, there's only 3 heights there, so it's 78 heights, so you're marking off at 26 and 52. And that let us put in our key heights there. So we can go ahead now and finish out the heavy black lines on this. So that's our in view and elevation done there, okay? And so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to set up the plan view. So I'm going to put in my 45-degree line, speed me up, take down all my widths. And now we have our plan view done as well. So we're just labeling that of course as well. And we'll go ahead now on colors. So when we've that orthographic coloured in, folks, the last thing we have to do now is our scale isometric down here. Scale of 1:2, of course. So that means we're half and everything as usual. And we have 78 up here, so that becomes 39 high. And there's 3 heights, 1, 2, and this up there at the very top. So we'll mark them off. 39, we'll mark off the overall measurement first, and then that's 13s. 13 and 13 is 26. And it was 104 long, so that's 52 now, it's been reduced to. And then we just need to mark off this half of that 26 there, which is 13. And now we'll swap over now to 60/30 set square. All lines lightly first. And only black, heavy black then when you're sure of your lines. And that's our drawing finished, folks. That's parallel projection 6. So always be thinking about your views. Okay, orthographic is your bread and butter of drawing, as I always say. The isometrics down here, very, very important. You'll most often get that when you buy a product and you're looking at how to assemble it in a flat pack or something, you will get an isometric view of that. Today we did it on a scale of 1:2, so all measurements were halved. And then oblique, just another way of showing the drawing, but they're going off at 45 degrees. So hope you found that useful, folks. More videos to come. Take care and stay safe.